Hi friends, I'm Emma. Today we're going to draw some fun 2D shapes together. Let's get started. First up is a 6-pointed star. Let's draw it carefully, 1 point at a time. It looks like a sparkly snowflake or a magical flower. Doesn't it look cool already? Next is a nice round circle. Take your time so it's smooth and even. Now let's draw a heart shape. Who doesn't love hearts? Make sure the top curves are soft and lovely. We'll place it right in the center of the page. Now we'll draw an arrow pointing to the right. It feels like it's guiding us on a fun color journey. And the last shape is a pentagon. 5 even sides like a tiny house. You've probably seen this shape many times. Let's trace over all the lines to make them stand out. Time to color. Orange. First, the star gets a bright orange color. It shines like morning sunshine. Orange is such a happy color. It makes everything look warm and cheerful. Green. The circle will be green and fresh, just like a juicy apple. Green reminds me of fresh leaves. It feels so calm and peaceful. Red. And the red heart in the center looks like a big strawberry smiling at us. Red is full of love and energy. It makes the heart shine so bright. Blue. Let's color the arrow blue. Blue looks just like the sky. It's cool and relaxing to look at. Yellow. And finally, the pentagon gets a bright yellow color. That's my favorite color today. Yellow is like sunshine on paper. It always makes me smile. All done. Thank you so much for drawing with me. I had so much fun. See you again in the next video.